whatever may come. Shelomith, you have chosen Kenesha to be your wife. Will you love and respect her as she is, even in the face of differences? Will you be honest with her always? Will you assist her in actualizing her fullest self and never limit her in that process? Will you continue to hold dear the gift of the love you've cultivated together and stand by her whatever may come?
I will.
You have carefully considered the beauty and commitment assumed when lives are wed. Are you here freely and willingly? And are you now each prepared to enter into this contract of marriage, making whatever personal adjustments necessary to live harmoniously together? This ceremony today is a most serious covenant made before all of us as witnesses.
Shelomith, I give you this ring that you may wear as a symbol of the vows we have made for her friends and family today. I will pledge you my love and respect, my support and my friendship with all that I am, all that I have, and all that I may become. I honor and cherish you.
Kenesha, I give you this ring that you may wear it of a symbol of the vows we have made before our friends and family today. I pledge you my love and respect, my support and my friendship with all that I am, all that I have, and all that I may become. I honor and cherish you.
We collect. It is my privilege and great honor to be the first to introduce Kenesha and Shelomith as wife and wife. From this moment on, you will face the world together in a new way. For this, we all celebrate and invite you to kiss.
like